Hey guys, please check out this new arrival here at Car City Inc. in Palatine. You're looking at beautiful 2009 Lexus ES350 with just 98,000 miles in it. Beautiful looking body, very nice and clean. Great color combination, burgundy exterior over beige leather interior. In a great shape, parking sensors, tinted windows, very nice, all matching Michelin tires, alloy wheels. As I said, body looks very nice and clean. Fog lamps, xenon headlights, very well kept and maintained. Timing belt, it's actually got timing chain, but water pump has been just recently done, so it's ready to go for another 100,000 miles. Nice wood trim. Power memory seats, leather interior, nice and clean, in a great shape. Power seats, it's got heated seats, Bluetooth, 98,000 miles on a dash, no warning lights on, nice and clean dashboard. It's got navigation, it's got rear view camera, automatic climate control, automatic transmission. It's actually got heated and cooled seats, push start button, nice and clean all around, clean headliner, sunroof. It runs and drives beautiful like it's supposed to. Low miles for the year. Beautiful seats on the back, nice and clean as well. No issues, in great shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 847-496-4250. Check our website for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Alloy wheels, nice and clean. As I said, beautiful Michelin tires, all matching all around. Let me just go ahead and open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. V6 3.5 liter engine, beautiful 2009 Lexus ES350 with just 98,000 miles, very well kept and maintained. As I said, water pump has been recently done on it, so it's ready to go for another 100k. Front row ready, it's been detailed, inspected, very nice and clean. 2009 Lexus ES350, which you can find at Car City Inc. in Palatine, Illinois. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.